Mi yw Gareth Gelding, dwi'n rheolwr Lleoliadau sy'n gweithio yng Nghymru. Dwi'n gweithio ar gyfres mawr iawn i America ar hyn o bryd o'r Da Vinci's Demons. Hwn yw'r cyfres mwyaf sy'n cael ei ffilmio yn Prydain ar hyn o bryd o ran cyllideb efo 70 miliwn o ddoleri. Fi wedi gweithio ar cyfresu fel Doctor Who a Sherlock ac yn y blaen.
Helo, enw fi yw Sophia Evans a dwi wedi bod ar gwrs 7 mis fel Trainee Location Manager gyda Gareth Gelding ar Da Vinci's Demons.
My name's Kirsty Evans and I completed the Cyfle Trainee Assistant Location Manager's course.
Dwi wedi mwynhau mas draw 7 mis diwetha yma, gweithio gyda Gareth Gelding, gweithio ar gynhyrchiad mor anferth. Mae jyst wedi bod yn experience mwyaf amazing.
The thing I enjoyed most about the course was learning on the job. We went straight on to filming and we got to meet a really large team, and particularly the locations team themselves were really lovely to work with, and we got to really get some good contacts, meet some lovely people and work on a really fun and interesting TV show.
The main part of my job is enticing producers to come to Wales and spend their money in Wales, bringing Welsh talent through and showing off what we've got here to the rest of the world. A key part of my job is the creative part and finding locations, selling that vision, and then delivering that vision. So, you know, from finding a fantastic castle to going in there and wanting to take the windows out or blow them out or set fire to it, and all those weird and fantastic things that we do in the TV world.
Before I did the training course, I was a freelance events production manager, working on quite a number of different events for different companies, ranging from award shows, music festivals, food festivals and touring theatre productions.
Cyn mynd i'r cwrs yma, ni'n gweithio ar Pobl-y-Cwm a hefyd cyn hynny yn Llundain gyda cwmni PR. Ond oedd wedi fi 3 mis o tua dim lot o waith a nes I weld y cwrs yma yn mynd ar y we ac o'n i'n meddwl gret achos dyma be o'n I moyn wneud oedd bod yn location manager. So pryd nath y cwrs yma ddod lan o'n i'n meddwl bod yn opportunity gwych I fi fynd arno.
I decided to apply for the course as work I'd done previously. The skills seemed to transfer nicely onto the location manager's kind of job description. And also I've always had an interest in TV and wasn't sure exactly how to step sideways and get into the industry, whereas this course really gave a great paid opportunity to do that.
Yn y 7 mis diwetha Da Vinci's Demons, wedi dysgu I beidio bod yn ofn gwaith caled, I fod yn hyblyg I bob rhan o'r swydd, I fynd mas yn y car gyda'r cyfarwyddwyr, I fod yn glanhau'r studio. Mae jyst yn elfennau gwahanol i'r swydd, mae rhaid ti just take on board. A hefyd, mae'r cwrs cyfle wedi galluogi fi fynd ar gyrsiau I fi helpu a hybu fy CV. So dyna fi really dysgu yn y dosbarth a mas gyda Gaz.
From the course I've learned what it takes to be a location manager, what work is necessary, how involved you need to be and how you need to be able to talk to everyone, quite a large team, and get them on board really and get them to commit to a location and understand what it fully takes to take a production to a location. Yeah, I've learned on the job, so got to experience firsthand all the equipment required and all the work undertaken really and the processes needed to be in the role of a location manager.
Ers bod ar y cwrs yma, mae boi sy'n treino fi yw Gareth Gelding, mae fe wedi cymryd fi mlaen nawr tan diwedd Da Vinci's a hefyd mae wedi gofyn fi fynd nôl blwyddyn nesaf I weithio fel full-time employee ar Da Vinci's Demons.
Mae rôl y rheolwr Lleoliadau yn dechrau pan ti'n cael sgript a ti'n darllen sgript. So straight away ti'n dychmygu beth mae'r holl lleoliadau mae'n edrych fel, ti'n mynd allan i ffeindio rhain i gwireddu breuddwyd y cyfrwyddwr. Mae fe eisiau rhywbeth diddorol a fel anna ti ffindo rhywbeth diddorol a wedyn rhoi hwnna popeth yn ei le mwyn bod e'n gallu ffilmio yna bod yn iechyd a diogelwch a trafod popeth gyda pobl sy'n berchen y lleoliadau i falle bod ni angen chwythu ffenestri yma, so ti sy'n gyfn gwbl yn goffod trefnu popeth fel yna. So mae'n job exciting, os dim job fel e, a mae cwrs cyfle yn rhoi siawns i ti dechrau gweld popeth sy'n digwydd a hyd yn oed cael gwared a wneud y job dy hunan.
I would definitely recommend this course. It is certainly going to help me get into the industry, get more work, and without the course I don't think I'd be in a position where I'd be as confident to apply and look for work and feel as positive about it as I do. So it's definitely worth doing. The fact you get paid and supported on many levels as well gives you the knowledge and the confidence and the ability to do it all, really. So yeah, definitely recommend it.
Cyfle is a great training scheme where I've had two trainees with me during the Vinci Demons for 9 months. It's worked really well, so you can really throw yourself in and immerse yourself in the job.
Fyswn ni definitely yn gweud i bawb fynd ar cwrs cyfle, mae'n brofiad anhygoel.